This machine is silicone heat transfer labels forming machine. Now we go to install that machine. First, the machine power is used at 308 volt. Have 5-piece line. 3 piece is repair. 1 piece is natural line, and another one is ground. So we just one by one to link. And finish, we open. Now we go with machine, open the control box and push power on, and finish. We push reset and waiting 3 seconds. We push start. If you push start and waiting about 3 seconds, the machine cannot go inside. So the problem is the power. You need change 2 point, any 2 point, this 3, 1, 2, 3 to change away. The motor will be work good. Then your machine can working. Okay, now we can see here it start. It's for the work, and here it's for the stop. Any dangerous, anything you want stop machine, you just push and finish. You need move right to reset and push, come back to the home. Okay, now we need open temperature. When you open temperature but the temperature control cannot working, you need go to the temperature control page, and you can see here have a start heating. You need use this, push that, then machine will be working till heating. And you can set temperature. If you want set 8, you can move and 8. For example, here I want set 115. It's like this to set. Now, this machine, if you make silicone heat transfer labels, the temperature is, the up temperature is 75. Then low temperature is 140. This is right temperature. Now finish, we need go to the setting page to state the parameters. So for the silicone heat transfer labels, you just use the parameter like this. The vacuum parameter is for the remove bubbles for the 8. Enter, and the breaking time is 6. Always like this. And you just need change. You only need change the last one. This is the heating time. A different mode, different time. Like if you make the Prada, it's big one, you need set about 40 seconds. If you make like this Adidas, small ones, simple mode, maybe you adjust the time 18. It's like this. So, and always you need use the vacuum cover for this remove bubbles. So this page is sitting like this, and this one and 2 you don't need use. It's for the solid silicone, not for the liquid. Okay, now if you want to adjust pressure, we go here and we can find this switch. Move left. Inside one, we move left to unlock, and we adjust this switch to move right. It's big. Move right, it's big, and move left, it's small. Then finish, we need lock. We need lock inside. And also, this one, you need adjust the same. Left is small, and right is big. Usually we use to the 0. Here to 0. For example, we send machine to you. We adjust the pressure finish. So if you don't have change small mode, you don't need to adjust the pressure. And one more thing, sometimes this sensor not working, maybe like this. If your machine go in, but the vacuum don't working, you need to check this sensor to move the line on, the machine is working. And also, if sometimes you adjust the pressure here, it's too big, the machine also cannot working. You need start, you need check cover down and save, no working, you need to move this, it be done. And you can see the machine cannot breaking the air. We need to adjust the pressure. Move left, 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 left. No, working well. Okay. And let's say it's offsetting. One more thing, this vacuum pump about 3 miles, you need change your oil. How to change? First, you open here, and second, you open this switch. The oil will be out, and close light, and put 2.5 liter vacuum oil inside and close. Enough. That's all for the silicone heat transformable forming machine.